Hello everyone, this is Pratap and I'm the product manager for OCI Language. Today I'm going to show you how to use OCI Language to analyze text and visualize the output in Oracle Analytics without writing any code. OCI Language offers APIs for analyzing the text for various tasks, including sentiment, named entity recognitions, and doing the text translation, many more tasks. Oracle Analytics is a powerful business intelligence platform and offers out-of-the-box integration with OCI Language and OCI Vision. There are three simple steps which you need to follow for analyzing the text and visualizing the output. You need to create a connection with the tenancy details and then select the text to be processed from the source data set and then select language models to be applied, and then you're ready for creating the visualization. Let me show you quickly how to do that. First, you need to create connection details. You need to configure the tenancy, you need to configure the OCID, and you have to configure the API key. Once you create the connection, then you have to register. You have to register the OCI language models. Now, for this connection, I'm going to register the sentiment analysis and named entity recognition. Let me select the sentiment analysis. Here, you need to configure the staging bucket. This is the place the output from the OCI language is stored. So for here, I'm going to specify the bucket that's existing, and I click on register to save the changes. I'll repeat the step for named entity recognition and click on register to save. We are ready to analyze the text. Now I create a data flow. I specify the data set here. For this particular demo, I have my review stored in spreadsheet, but in real life, the data source can be anything. It can be a database storing the reviews, or it could be a CBEL system having the review stored. I click on add, I review these columns, then I click on the add step. This is where I specify what AI model I want to apply. Here you will see the list of AI models that were registered. So I will select sentiment analysis here. For sentiment analysis, the output columns I leave, but you need to specify the parameters. Input column is the column where actual text to be analyzed resides. For us, we are going to analyze the review text. I specify the review text. Analysis level, I want to apply both aspect and sentiment. The reference column helps you to identify each column. So reference column 1, I will select as review ID, which is the unique ID for each review. Then you can select optionally 2 other columns where these column values will be copied to the output. I will select review text so that I can display the review text there. With that, we are done with the configuration of AI model. The next step is specify the save data. I specify the data set name here, hotel review output. Here I specify the output dataset name, and here we can see the sample output that is produced. For example, this particular review, I need to ensure that these columns are properly configured. For positive score, negative score, the aggregate value, I'll specify it as average. And with that, I am done with configuring the data flow. I click on save. After that, I'll run this data flow. Once the data flow is run, we can create beautiful visualizations using simple drag and drop. Let me create one here. I want to create a map. We can see the map visualization, and I want to specify the size of the dots here based on the number of reviews that are posted, so that we can see which region has posted maximum number of reviews. We can see here, this is the state which has received maximum number of reviews. Here are some other visualizations which can be produced from sentiment analysis. This shows the number of reviews and number of aspects identified. This is one more chart which shows the trend. Here it shows from July till August last year. there are significant number of positive reviews, but suddenly there is a drop, whereas there is a consistent number of negative reviews that are posted here. And we can also see the positive score versus negative score expressed towards individual hotels here. And this is one more visualization which helps depicting the trend. Is there any seasonality of the positive or negative trend? Generally, you can see here the negativity goes up during Friday and Saturday. And this is one more visualization which shows the negative versus positive trend. Here it shows the room got most negative sentiment, whereas the staff has got the most positive sentiment. And this is one more, the business owner wants to understand what exactly is the aspect that is contributing to negative. We can build the text highlighter visualization. Here people are happy because of the desk clerks. This is one more visualization to display sentiment results on a map. In this video, I have shown how Oracle Analytics out-of-the-box integration with OCI AI can be used to generate powerful insights and appealing visualizations without writing any code. Thank you for watching.